look. It was like it's fine, I didn't lose.
Okay. Yep. Love you. Love you. I know she was holding it together. Aww. It's good. Happy. Yeah. Happy tears.
Ashley, it's so hard to put into words how much you mean to me. I know tears will fall today. I just know that I'm always here for you, always and forever. I hope the love that I give you is always more than enough, and I cannot wait to be your husband. Love, happiness, kindness, carefulness, joyfulness, kind-hearted, motherly instincts, compassionate, beautiful. These are just a few words to describe you.
A little more enthusiasm.
But I think my favorite part about our friendship is that we can just be our authentic selves without judgment. Ashley has the biggest heart and deserves the best kind of love, which I know she found in Cody.
I was like, now why'd you get married the day of the Ohio State game? I said, well, I could have gotten married the day they play Michigan. I said, but I didn't.
Oh my God, Hayden. Jumped right on it.
Just grab it.
Right? So Cody, Bob, and Ashley, and whatever the hell else happens after that. Let's do her.
Cody Michael, I can't believe I get to become your wife today. I can't put into words how excited I am to have a future with you. You make me so happy. The way you interact with our nephews melts my heart, and can't wait for that step in our life.
It's a lot easier if you just relax.
We had our bachelor party about 6 weeks ago, and I was sitting around the campfire, all of us, and I asked each and every one guy, what'd you think of Cody? Why do you like Cody? And the main thing I always hear is he's a good man, and Ashley, you're going to get a very, very good husband.
I'm Bubbles. Someone's blowing bubbles.
You're a second.
Marriage is the clasping of hands, the bending of two hearts, the union of two lives into one. And your marriage must stand not by the authority of the state, nor by the seal on your wedding certificate, but by the strength and the power of faith and love that you have towards one another. Cody, you may kiss your bride.
I really did find my best friend and my lover all in one. I really did step out of my comfort zone when I sent the request, and I'm sure glad I did.
We know it won't be perfect, but I know both of us will work really hard and do the best that we can for each other and for our family. And I can't wait for you to come home to me every day of our lives. Let's have the best day of our lives and look for the future.
So as for Cody, I just want you to remember to say those 3 special words to her every single day. You are right. As they say, a man who gives in when he's wrong is wise. A man who gives in when he's right is married.
two families blending together, and we can't be more excited. So everyone raise their glasses and cheers to Mrs. and Mr. Borman.
I love you so much and am so excited. I can't wait to see what the future has in store for us. I love you, Ashley.